Bitumen Decanter is our company's key road and bridge equipment after continuous experiment and improvement. Now we are providing two types of bitumen decanter to customers. One is the direct heating form of bitumen melting machine, and the equipment is burned through the burner. Diesel or natural gas provides heat for melting of the bitumen. One is to heat and melt the bitumen by heat radiation from the thermal oil and melt the bitumen by heat radiation from the thermal oil furnace. Sino Road a hydraulic drum bitumen decanter advantage. 120s turning barrel into mixer. 2 automatically reverses oil barrel. 3 internal circulation function for automatic slag removal. 5 convenient relocation.